Wow, this U.S. History Study Guide is really hard. I wonder if there's anybody else in the class that would want to study with me. Maybe we could help each other out. I remember the professor talking about how important it is to study in groups sometimes. Oh yeah, my peer educator also mentioned that we can use the Study Buddies feature on the Navigate app to find people to study with. Let me take a look. All right, open up my Navigate app. There's the Study Buddies icon right on the home page. So I tap that. Gotta find my class. History 112. Okay, it says join group. Look at that, there's already some people in this group. It's got Paul, Bree, and Zoe. I know Paul, and I've talked to Bree before. I don't know Zoe, but maybe she'll want to study with us too. I'll send them all a quick email and see if they're interested. Okay. Hey guys, we are all in the same History 112 class, and I wondered if you would all be interested in studying before this next test. Maybe we could get together in person or have a Zoom call and talk about it. Let me know if you're interested. Thanks, Blythe. Look at that. I'm already on my way to having some people to study with. If you want to, you can do the same thing. Just hop into your Navigate app, click the Study Buddies icon, and you'll be set to go.